Production of Cap Radio, KXJZ Sacramento, KUOP Stockton Modesto, KKTO Tahoe City Reno, KQNC Quincy. You can find more music discovery when you want it online at capradio.org/heylisten. Hey Listen is a production of Cap Radio, KXJZ Sacramento, KUOP Stockton Modesto, KKTO Tahoe City Reno, KQNC Quincy, and you can find more music discovery when you want it online at capradio.org/heylisten.
You are tuned to NSPR, North State Public Radio, KCHO Chico, and KFPR Reading, a service of Cap Radio, licensed to Chico State Enterprises. Listener-supported public radio connecting the communities of Northern California. We are on the web at mynspr.org.